Good morning. It's travel day. So we are hooked up. I got one more thing to do, and that is load the golf cart. So let's get her back here and get on the road. All right, we loaded up. Do our walk around here. Check everything. Locked, 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 locked. Check the back door here. Good to go. Locked. All right, we are here finally. Wasn't bad. 2 hour and 45 minute ride. Wasn't bad at all. Was it, Kay? Yeah. All right, let's go get checked in. We'll get to our site. Enjoy the rest of the day. It's probably about 1 o'clock. Check-in's at 1 o'clock, so we had a pretty good time getting here. So we shouldn't have any issues. Bathroom's right there. We're just slightly uphill, it'll be all right. Skidaway Island State Park, we are here. Check it out. Gazebo set up, front side of the camper, good bit of room. Check this out, you ready for this? Look at the size of that tree. Look at that. I mean, it goes on and on and on. That joker's huge. So here we are, set up. We got a little fan going. It's probably mid to upper 80s right now. The sun was out. It's behind a cloud right now, so we're enjoying that. It's a little muddy. They had some rain earlier in the week, so we're getting a little bit of the aftermath of that. But there we are. Nice site. You see, you got plenty of room, and these trees in here, they are just too cool, and they are huge. I mean, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that pine tree right there is ginormous. But there we are, flying the colors. Go Georgia. There you are, guys. So we're here till after Labor Day. We got some friends coming that we haven't seen in a while. They're gonna camp the next spot up from us. So we're looking forward to that. They'll be here tomorrow. So we're gonna relax tonight, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Good morning. Man, it was a nice night. It is quiet here. I mean, it is quiet. So last night we rode around on the golf cart, just kind of getting the lay of the land here, and we seen probably 5 or 6 deer. And when I say we seen deer, I'm saying they were standing as close to the road as my camper is, and we rode right by them. I mean, they just stood there. There was one laying down in one of the campsites, and it stayed there the whole time. So today is going to be a fairly easy day. Our friends are coming in sometime, and we're just going to hang out here. We might go on a little hike. There is a boat landing right down the road that I want to go check out, just to see the waterway. I've never been there before, so it just kind of, it's got my curiosity up, so I want to go check it out. But yeah, it's going to be an easy day today. We're hanging out here. We're close, and waiting on them to show up. It's going to be full this weekend. I've looked on the website, and they said every site is full, so we'll get a good view of it once everybody gets here. All right, let me go see if Kay's about ready, and we'll load up and head over across the big bridge and go check out this boat ramp and see what we got. Bandy's Bait Shack. Life jacket loaner station. They're doing that all over now. Fishing, shrimping, and crabbing prohibited from floating dock and gang walk. Woo! That's stagnated looking water right there. Come back and get me. You left me. I can't believe they left me. This one floats. I'll be easy. I started moving this dock. She said, no, I'm not going there. All right, well, that's it from the boat ramp. Not much to it. Like a local little place, and I guess Butterbean Beach was over here on to the right, so we went and checked it out. Not much happening there neither. All right, we're gonna head back and go on a little hike. Just don't know how they will stay at night. That is cool. All right, we're at the trailhead. So let's see, it's 2 miles. We walk 2 miles. Let's see how far we get.
That lizard, the head of it almost looked like a baby alligator.
Huh. I'm sure glad I got my hiking shoes on. Look at the trees. I killed 2 on your shoulder. And then in my head. Oh, that's all muddy right there, look.
Yeah, we're going back.
All right, let's go. Well, looks like that's a shorter hike than we expected because this trail we're walking on is extremely muddy. And the Big Berry Trail, which kicks off here to our left, has caution tape on it, so we cannot go that way. Oh, look at this. So I guess we're gonna head back and relax for the evening, wait on our friends. Well, we're gonna put an end on this video today. Not a very productive day today. Just a little sightseeing. Tried to get a hike in, but as you could tell, that didn't turn out very well. So anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share. All right, till our next video, safe travels.